Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. Couple months ago, I have made a video about this Samsung washer and dryer set where I have installed at the first time, especially water lines, dryer for 240 voltage electrical connections, and we also tested it the first time. I seen there is a lot of viewers. They said this video is really helpful, but at the same time, I got a couple questions too. Some people even asking for how to start cycle, like wash cycle or the washer. I believe one of the viewer was commenting me, and I was answering. Look like they have some kind of technical or mechanical problem with their washer, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to walk through step by step how to start your wash cycle. So at this time, my washer display is off and I have a heavy bed sheets inside. I have everything, soap and everything inside already, but I can show. Here, if you open this one, where you put your liquid detergent and your softener. So this one is etchy, so you're gonna put only etchy type soap. Now I'm gonna press and turn on just once. You see sound, and it has a quick wash, 29 minutes. These are all the settings we're gonna walk through. For here, I have to do heavy. I'm gonna spin this dial. I put in heavy. As when I go to the heavy, I have already auto set 1 hour 35 minutes. You can start like that, but here, water temperature, I have a hot. I wanna have a hot. Rinse, it's just only gonna do one time, but I have to do at least 2 or 3 times. And no spin, we're gonna spin high. I'm gonna spin medium, little bit less than high. And soil, I put on heavy because we choose the heavy. Other than, I'm not doing anything else. I can also do this fiber softener because we have added fiber softener. Other things, you can do a lot of things. You can have a smart care, deep fill, delay, and you also have a pre-soak. Like basically, you can choose any. As I have choose the fabric softener, this light is on. If I touch again, off. If you do this one, the top light is gonna be turned on. Basically, what it's gonna do, this function gonna be activated and it's gonna take some time, like gonna fill with water and soak for a couple of minutes, whatever is your requirement. So now, as you can see, it's a 224 because I have a bed sheets. They are really heavy. It's gonna take 2 hours, 24 minutes to finish this cycle. You can lower time, but the temperature, general, whatever, if you want. But as I have a dirty bed sheets, so I'm gonna do that way. Now we have everything set. There's a lot of other options you can choose. You just need to dial if you want. But I'm happy with this one. So now we're gonna press and hold. It says hold to start. You not just like press. You have to press and hold. You will hear click to lock the door and it will run. I'm gonna press and hold. I heard it. Let it go. It's just making sure the lock is locked, all the functions, and the machine will stop. So now it just spin a little bit. Now it's gonna start the process, and as soon as the machine start, it's gonna check a couple things. I believe I seen them. It's gonna spin a couple times both ways, and then everything. When everything is in a balance, you're gonna see the time here. Time will start. So basically, right now it's just checking the lock, all the electronics the way it's supposed to, like maybe the drum balance and then everything. I have a Samsung machine before, but that was not taking that long. It was really like quick and easy. But this one is like take maybe like about 1 or 2 minutes to be balanced. I'm gonna let them do whatever they're doing and we're gonna come back. Okay, it's about like 30 seconds. So now you see 224. This one also still blinking because it's working. This one working, and this one is solid, and you can see it's filling with water through the soap area, and That's the screen look like when it's running normally. So now I'm gonna take 2 hour 24 minutes and it will alarm for finish. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.